So that right there is actually hunting gear, but I use it to climb coconut trees. So I'm gonna set you back here at a really strange angle. And yeah, it's gonna be a strange angle, but you can see how I clean the tree. Hopefully that's good. Cool. Not a bad shot. Phase 2, of course. First step is to check out the product. Premium product. Can you dig it? That was a more mature one there. I'll get one of these younger ones and see if there's actually any water in there at all. This one's less mature, so there'll probably be more water. And I'll let you know. Yeah, fresh. These are not really water bombs. These are more for the meat today, to be honest. And I lean more towards the water, and you can tell at the bottom, you can see, oh, those are fatties. They're gonna have like half a quart or whatever, or some of them have like a full quart if you find the right trees. These have like a third of a quart, you know, so they're a lot less rich in water, but still a premium nut for sure. Champagne. So this one has a heart cut into it. Can you dig it? Look at that. Now I'll cut it open and show you what we're working with here. So not too bad, actually. Real decent. Not huge, but not super small either. But a premium nut for sure. So now the next phase of the game is to schlep them out of here, out of the jungle. And I'll show you that part of the journey. Mature ones put on the bottom. pretty big, so I'm only going to get probably 5 or maybe 6 maximum in here. Yeah, it's looking like about 5, so it's going to take a while to schlep them out of here. What I'll do is what I normally do is just fill the backpack and then grab 2 or 3 in each hand. But since I'm going to have a camera today, I won't be able to do that. But then you just schlep them out of here one at a time, you know, one backpack at a time, and you'll see it's not that far. I've carried coconuts quite far at times, but today I'm just going to be. It's only maybe not even a quarter mile really back to the truck. So really something in my back there. I don't know what it is. Come on. Wow, it's funky. What the hell? Something gnarly in the back. Okay, anyhow, it's never gonna sit flat. Anyhow, so I'll just show you the rest of this and then we'll call it good, but I'll be here for another, I don't know, 15-20 minutes schlepping everything out of here. I can take it all in one load in, but anyways, it's gonna take me quite a few loads, so I actually have the tripod in one hand. I should have grabbed some extra stuff, but it's all good. I'm just filming is a little different, you know. I gotta consider the filming aspect of it, which a professional filmer wouldn't even mention the fact that they're filming. Of course, get a nice view here, don't you? And so this is just my little private coconut forest. There's a few people here and there, but just all back in there, hundreds and hundreds of trees. Paradise for a dude like me. When you dig it. Aloha. And sunscreen. Oh, it's the smell of sunscreen. This is over here. This is kind of one of my best patches right in here. There's some really, really good trees right back in here. And they're all ready to go too. It's full up. Boy poo, baby. South Shore. I hit the South Shore, the North Shore, the West Side, the East Side. I'm all over this island, baby. Because no, each island, part of the island has special stuff. So, coconuts here, river there, spring here, Limahuli up north, Ke'e, sup, waterfalls, all that stuff, man. Paradise. Can you dig it? Look at that. Gorgeous. Big old beast. And then, last but not least, there's the old girl. This is the final phase. That is a monster.
good. Then I'll do another load, and then we load this whole thing up, and then we get out. Can you dig it? Cool. Aloha, bro. Cool. So yeah, that's it. That's the free food and medicine video. Thanks a lot for watching. Here we go. Do a few more loads and then call it a day. Then I'm gonna hit Larson's, the nude beach, for a minute. Do some pull-ups on Zuckerberg's property. Then I'm gonna head up north, hit the market, then head over to Makaleha to do a little meditation video and take a bath. And head home for some dinner. Rinse and repeat. Thanks. Peace.